Morning everyone, and it's Monday's maths lesson. I hope that you're all ready. We did some amazing counting all the way from 0 to 50 last week. We practiced counting forwards and backwards and looking at what 50 really meant. Today we're going to carry on looking at how numbers up to 50 can be shown in different ways. And you're going to need the question sheet from Seesaw and a pencil by the end of the lesson. If you make sure you've got those ready now, we're ready to go. Let's start by warming up. Super warm. Are those fingers ready? Is that brain ready? Are you switched on and ready for maths? I am. Let's go. Question 1. How many straws are shown in those pictures? Remember, the bundles are 10 and the ones on their own are ones. Question 2. What comes next? Question 3. Which is equal to 5 tens? 50 or 15? Question 4. What comes next? Pause the video if you need a little bit more time. Okay, let's look at question 1. How many straws? Well, we know we've got 3 bundles of 10. So that's counting tens. 10, 20, 30. And then we've got ones. Let's count on in ones from 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So we have 34 straws altogether. If you got that, give yourself a big tick. What comes next? Number 2. So we've got 36, 37, 38, 39. What's next? Amazing. It is 40. And we write 40, a 4 and then a 0. Think about those numbers at the end of the 50 chart. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 all end in a 0. Brilliant work. Question 3. What is equal to 5 tens? 50 or 15? 5 tens. So if we've got 5 tens, we need to count up in tens 5 times. Shall we do it together? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5 tens is equal to 50. I hope you got that. Keep giving yourself a tick if you got them right. Question 4. What comes next? We've got 32, 31, 30. This time are we counting forwards or backwards? Backwards? So what's going to be before 30? Must be 20 something. 29. Because it would be 29, 30. So if I'm going backwards, it'll be 30, 29. We write 29, 20, 9. Give yourself a big tick and a lovely smiley face if you got all those right. Well done. Excellent, we're beautifully warmed up now, and today we're going to be learning all about numbers up to 50 and partitioning them. Say partition. We're going to be partitioning. Partitioning means making them into different parts. This number has already been partitioned into tens and ones. How many tens can you see? 1 10. How many ones can you see? 6 ones. So 1 10 is in one of our parts and 6 ones are in our other part. If we put our 2 parts together, what is our number going to be? 1 10 and 6 ones. 16. Brilliant. You're just going to be wonderful at this today. What a great start. Okay, let's have a think about this one then. So we have 2 parts. The number has been partitioned. We're going to have a think about what the number is. How many 10s? How many 1s? Can you work out what that number is altogether? What is the whole? We've got 3 10s, 10, 20, 30, and we've got 8 1s. Add together 30 and 8 more 1s. What do we get? 38. Wow, so 38 is our whole. 3 10s and 8 1s is equal to 38. Wow, you are doing amazingly today. Okay, now this time you have got a number that is given in the 10 frames. You see all those red counters and those 10 frames. I'd like you to have a think now. How could you partition the number into 10s and 1s? Put the 10s together in one part and then put the 1s into the other part. Well, we could partition it like this. Move the 2 full 10 frames into one part. So we've got 2 10s in one part. And how many 1s are in the 10 frame that's not full? 7 1s. Brilliant. So 2 10s in one part and 7 1s in the other part. How many are there altogether? What is the whole? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Amazing. Super partitioning. Doesn't matter if you did it another way, but if you were, because I asked you to partition it into 10s and 1s, this is the way we would do it. Now, what about this number? So the straws at the side. We've got some bundles and some 1s. How could we partition this amount of straws? Can you try to partition it into 10s and 1s? So all your 10s go into one part and your 1s go into the other part. What would you do? Would you do this? We could do it like this. I've put how many 10s into the 10s part? 4 10s. And how many 1s? 1, just 1 1. 4 10s and 1 1. What is that altogether? What is the whole? Let's count up in 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. One more, 41. The whole is 41. Whoops. So 4 10s and 1 1 equals 41. Okay, can you pick up your magic pencil? I'd like you to use your magic pencil to, first of all, work out what the numbers are that are being represented in straws, 10 frames and base 10 blocks. Then you're going to see if you can spot the number at the other side. With your magic pencil, you're going to draw a line between them. Pause the video, see if you can work out which one is which. Okay, let's look at the straws first. How many straws do we have? 3 10s and 1 1. Let's count up in tens. 10, 20, 30, 31. Point to 31 on the screen. Draw a line between them. Let's see if it matches my line. Can you draw it with me? It's this one, 31. Let's look at the 10 frames now. How many full 10 frames do we have? 3. So we've got 3 10s. 10, 20, 30. Ooh, where's 30 on the screen? Can you point to it? Can you draw a line with your magic pencil as I do? We've got the number in words is I. It must be the number that's written in words. Can we draw a line with your magic pencil? See if it matches mine. Did it match? Give yourself a pat on the back. And our last number with the Dean's blocks, the base 10. We've got 1 10. How many ones? 3 ones. We've got 10, 11, 12, 13. Point to 13 on the screen. Help me draw a line with your magic pencil. Did you get it? Amazing, well done. Now we've got a bit of a problem because we've got our whole, we've got our 2 parts, but there's something missing. You need your super detective magnifying glass again. Can you spot what it is? The whole is 23. We want our 2 parts to make 23. We've got 2 10s, so 2 10s is 20. How many ones have we got? 2. That's 20, 21, 22. So what's missing? 1 1. We need 1 more, don't we? I was going to draw 1 more in there. That's what's missing. Silly, silly. We've forgotten to put a 1 on. Thank you for helping us to spot it. Okay. Wow. Oh, gosh. We've got another problem to solve. What is missing? First of all, we need to make sure we know what the whole is. What is the whole? The whole is 35. Say, the whole is 35. How many 10s do we already have? We know that the blocks are 10s, and we've got 3 of those. 3 10s. 10, 20, 30. We've already got 30. Spot on. How many 1s do we have? 3 1s. So already we've got 30 and 3 more. 31, 32, 33. We've only got 33, but the whole is 35. What's missing? We need to add 2 more 1s. That would be 34. And another one would be 35. Wow, you are just amazing. Well done. What is our whole now? The whole is 50. What part have we got already? Remember that the yellow sticks of Dean's blocks, our base 10, are tens. We've got 5 tens, which is 5 tens is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What's missing? Do we need any ones? No, we don't, because the number is 50. We don't need any ones. Super spotting. Say 1, 2, 3. I'm a super spotter, me. Well done. Some of those questions, especially that last one, was a bit tricky, wasn't it? It was trying to catch us out. You are doing amazingly at talking about numbers up to 50 in tens and ones and splitting them into different parts. I'd like you to have a practice at this now using some of the questions on Seesaw. Don't worry if you can't complete them all, just try your very best, and I look forward to seeing how you get on.